Hello, and welcome to RealCISO 2.0. I want to welcome you to the new dashboard for consultants. Here you have the ability to manage all of your clients from one single pane of glass. You'll be able to see your portfolio, look at total annual revenue, current engagements, your team, and obviously your clients. Let's take a look at one of our clients here, see what type of active engagements we have, the licensing that's set up for that client, the ability to cancel clients when needed, and see engagements that are happening currently. Here we introduce the ability to track contracts, whether they're retainer or one-time projects, and the dollar value on every single one of your clients. RealCISO now becomes a growth platform for your business to deliver. Set delivery dates, whether they're reoccurring or one-time project, and track revenue with your clients on an ongoing basis from within the same platform you conduct assessments. Assign consultants from your team and capture any notes that are relevant to a successful engagement. Your portfolio tracks total revenue, concentration of risk with clients, and which clients make up what percentage of your book. You can see audits coming up, coverage across clients, and client maturity on different scales across any number of the frameworks built into RealCISO. As the same with V1, in RealCISO 2.0 you have the ability to modify and customize templates for your reports with clients. You have the ability to preview, add in your own logos, table of contents, and any content using variables from within the reports themselves, the platform, or the results of assessments at your client. Everything within the templates that you can make available are modifiable. This is a total custom solution. We also introduced the ability to grant context and understanding of who you are and your clients. This allows for Clio, our native AI built into the RealCISO 2.0 platform, to be able to understand the dynamics of your organization and your clients. You have the ability to select any number of these options to be able to showcase what your client needs to be held to for regulatory requirements, certifications, customer type, or even starting to look at their third-party and vendor risk levels. We also allow for reporting, usage insights, as well as your license insights. You have full control and access to all of your billing right from the RealCISO 2.0 portal, as well as the ability to modify, understand, and track the license types that you want to use with your clients. RealCISO 2.0 is entirely white label available for you to set your colors, logos, so your clients see your branding and know who they're working with. We also introduce a fully immutable activity log, so you can track activity of your team and your clients and their interactions with the platform, where they came from, what actions they took, and what time those happened. Everything is searchable through event types and categories. You also can invite members in just via an email and set their roles, which gives them the appropriate access to the platform.